The most important step in preparing to study abroad is getting a visa. Think of a visa as your legal entry ticket as an international student. And because of that, many of you might feel anxious about the preparation step. Don't worry, because I'm here to help. Hi everyone, I'm Alice and I am an international student from Vietnam, currently studying liberal studies at Los Angeles Pierce College. I used to know nothing about study abroad, but here I am in the US. The first thing that I know is to collect necessary information as much as possible. Use other resources like the internet or asking your relatives about the visas and how to apply. In Vietnam, you will have to fill out the DS-160 form first to provide information about yourself, your school, and your family so that the consulate can understand your background more clearly. The one great thing about that is you can do everything online, which saves a lot of time and effort. So, if the regulations in your country say you have to complete a certain form, check if it can be done online. After filling out the form, you will have more instruction on how to schedule an appointment. For me, I had to pay the fee and schedule my interview appointment online using the code from the DS-160 application. And specifically, I had to transfer the fee through post office. And I still remember feeling confused, like I didn't know what to do when I got there. Here's an important tip: just ask the staff for help because they're very supportive and they will guide you through the very final step. After that, you can go to the US visa appointment website and choose a suitable date and time for your interview. To prepare for your interview, you should collect all the necessary information and documents, specifically regarding three main topics: finances, studies, and your future plans. During my preparation, I always focused on these three topics so that I could confidently answer all the questions from the officers because I just thought it would help build my credibility with the consulate, showing my determination to study in a new country with a clear plan. Next, you can prepare a folder for your documents, such as the school transcript or the appointment confirmation, and be sure to arrive at the consulate on the scheduled date and time. Furthermore, my big advice is, besides preparing all the important documents, confidence is also the key. So, when you enter the consulate, be sure to take a deep breath and answer the questions confidently. Once you reach this final step, there's nothing left to worry about except the excitement for packing and getting ready for your new adventure. So I will always be here to support you and wish you the best of luck. See you in our next video. Goodbye!